Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We all have that one appliance which finally gives up much earlier than expected. For me, it is this LG Ultra Stealth mixer grinder which lasted exactly for 6 years. And while I am sad to let it go, I am not just going to throw it in the trash. Remember my earlier video on waste segregation? Today we are going one step further. We have dismantled it completely into its core components, metal, plastic and wiring, to show you how we can truly recycle our e-waste instead of just getting rid of it. So you saw the dismantling, and these are the various parts. Now that it is in pieces, you might think that it is just a mess, but to a recycler, this is a treasure with valuable parts. So the blades, be careful with these. Even after 6 years, they are still sharp enough to remind you that they are there. So this is the plastic casing, that is the main body of the mixer, and the lids of the jars, and these are the steel jars. These are also metal parts. So the wire small and big with the plug, and the various nuts and bolts, and these are the other bushes below the jars. So this is the main motor of the mixer grinder, and you can see the various copper windings. The copper is the most valuable recyclable part. The motor had got damaged and hence we couldn't use the mixer anymore. Look at the amount of copper in the inside the motor. So this is the kind of work every recycler has to do with each and every appliance or gadget which goes for disposal, and so much work is involved, and that is why it's a thankless job to recycle things. And these are just small ways in which we can save the environment by doing our bit properly in a responsible manner. As you have seen in my earlier video, I used ScrapQ app for my waste disposal, but currently they've stopped their service. So for the past more than a year, I'm using the Crap Bin app. Though they have an app, I initiate a pickup through WhatsApp. Recycling isn't about throwing things in the bin, it's about understanding what our appliances are made of. I hope this inspires you to look at your dead gadget a little differently. Let me know in the comments if you have dismantled any appliance for recycling and what is the method you follow. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and share it if you find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting content from my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye till my next video. This is Bhuvana signing off.